Springbrook Tower. Good evening. China Eastern 90390 is on approach. China Eastern 90390 clear to land runway 32.
Lufthansa 8973 cleared for pushback. Springbrook ground, Lufthansa 8973 ready to taxi. Lufthansa 8973 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook Tower. Good evening. DHL 4374 is on approach. DHL 4374 clear to land runway 32. Springbrook clearance. Good evening. FedEx 4957 ready for pushback at Charlie 2. FedEx 4957 cleared for pushback. Springbrook ground. China Eastern 90390 requesting taxi to the gates.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. Qatari 4097 ready for pushback at Bravo 2.
Springbrook ground. FedEx 4957 ready to taxi. China Eastern 90390 taxi to gate Bravo 5. FedEx 4957 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. KLM 7818 is on approach.
Qatari 4097 cleared for pushback.
KLM 7818 cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook ground. Qatari 4097 ready to taxi.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. KLM 5831 ready for pushback at Alpha 1.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. Delta 8020 is on approach.
Springbrook ground. DHL 4374 taxi to the gates.
Qatari 4097 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook ground. KLM 5831 ready to taxi.
Springbrook Tower. Lufthansa 8973 ready for takeoff runway 05.
DHL 4374 requesting taxi to the gates.
KLM 5831 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. Thai 9086 is on approach.
Delta 8020 cleared to land runway 32.
Lufthansa 8973 line up and wait runway 05.
Thai 9086 clear to land runway 32.
KLM 2515 cleared for pushback.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. KLM 5128 is on approach. KLM 5128 cleared to land runway 32.
FedEx 4957 line up and wait runway 05.
Lufthansa 8973 cleared for takeoff runway 05.
DHL 4374 taxi to gate Charlie 2. FedEx 4957 cleared for takeoff runway 05.
KLM 7818 taxi to gate Alpha 1.
KLM 2515 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook ground. Delta 8020 requesting taxi to the gates.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. Korean 3447 ready for pushback at Alpha 3.
Qatari 4097 line up and wait runway 05.
Delta 8020 taxi to gate Bravo 2.
Qatari 4097 Cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Good morning, China Southern 7305, ready for pushback at Bravo 3.
KLM 5831, line up and wait runway 05.
Korean 3447, cleared for pushback.
China Southern 7305, cleared for pushback.
KLM 5831, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Thai 90086 requesting taxi to the gates.
Springbrook ground Korean 3447, ready to taxi.
Thai 90086 taxi to gate Bravo 9er.
Springbrook ground KLM 5128, requesting taxi to the gates.
Springbrook Ground, China Southern 7305, ready to taxi.
Korean 3447, taxi to runway 05.
Thai 90086 continue taxi.
KLM 5128, taxi to gate Alpha 3.
China Southern 7305, taxi to runway 05.
Virgin 90527 cleared for pushback.
Springbrook Tower, good morning. AirAsia 7326 is on approach. AirAsia 7326, cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook ground Virgin 90527 ready to taxi. Virgin 90527 taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook Tower, good morning. Lufthansa 8352 is on approach. Lufthansa 8352 cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. Dynasty 6717, ready for pushback at Alpha 2. Dynasty 6717, cleared for pushback.
Springbrook Tower, KLM 2515, ready for takeoff runway 05. KLM 2515, line up and wait runway 05.
Springbrook Tower, Korean 3447, ready for takeoff runway 05.
KLM 2515, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook ground. Dynasty 6717, ready to taxi.
Springbrook Tower, good morning. China Eastern 1148 is on approach. China Eastern 1148, cleared to land runway 32.
Korean 3447, line up and wait runway 05. Korean 3447, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Dynasty 6717, taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. High 5879, ready for pushback at Bravo 1.
Good morning. All Nippon 3910 is on approach. All Nippon 3910 cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook ground, AirAsia 7326, requesting taxi to the gates.
Thai 5879, cleared for pushback.
Springbrook Tower, China Southern 7305, ready for takeoff runway 05.
AirAsia 7326, taxi to gate Bravo 3.
China Southern 7305. Line up and wait runway 05.
Springbrook Tower, Virgin, 90527, ready for takeoff runway 05.
China Southern 7305. Cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Virgin, 90527, line up and wait runway 05.
Type 5879, taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. American 90167. Ready for pushback at Alpha 4.
Virgin, 90527, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook ground, Lufthansa 8352, requesting taxi to the gates. Lufthansa 8352, taxi to gate Alpha 2.
American 90167. Cleared for pushback.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. Asia 5176 is on approach.
Springbrook ground, American 90167. Ready to taxi.
Asia 5176 cleared to land runway 32.
American 90167. Taxi to runway 05.
Springbrook ground, China Eastern 1148, requesting taxi to the gates.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. China Southern 3429. Ready for pushback at Charlie 3.
China Eastern 1148, taxi to gate Bravo 1.
Springbrook Tower, Dynasty 6717, ready for takeoff runway 05.
China Southern 2526, cleared to land runway 32.
Dynasty 6717, line up and wait runway 05. Dynasty 6717, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
Springbrook ground, All Nippon 3910, taxi to the gates.
China Southern 3429. Cleared for pushback.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. China Southern 4223. Ready for pushback at Bravo 6.
All Nippon 3910, requesting taxi to the gates.
China Southern 3429. Taxi to runway 05.
China Southern 4223. Cleared for pushback.
Springbrook ground. Asia 5176 requesting taxi to the gates. Asia 5176 taxi to gate Alpha 4.
Type 5879, line up and wait runway 05.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. Cathay 5575. Ready for pushback at Bravo 4.
Type 5879, cleared for takeoff runway 05.
American 90167. Line up and wait runway 05. China Southern 4223. Taxi to runway 05.
Cathay 5575. Cleared for pushback.
Springbrook ground, China Southern 2526, taxi to the gates.
Springbrook Tower, China Southern 3429. Ready for takeoff runway 05.
All Nippon 3910, hold position.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. Lufthansa 1373, ready for pushback at Bravo 7.
Cathay 5575. Taxi to runway 05.
China Southern 2526, taxi to gate Bravo 4.
All Nippon 3910, continue taxi. All Nippon 3910, hold position.
American 90167. Cleared for takeoff runway 05.
China Southern 3429. Line up and wait runway 05.
Springbrook Tower. Good morning. China Southern 8528 is on approach.
All Nippon 3910, continue taxi.
Air China 3545. Cleared for pushback.
Lufthansa 1373, cleared for pushback.
China Southern 3429. Cleared for takeoff runway 05.
China Southern 8528 cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook clearance. Good morning. DHL 7677 ready for pushback at Charlie 1.
Springbrook Tower, good morning. KLM 7288 is on approach.
Springbrook ground, Lufthansa 1373 ready to taxi.
KLM 7288 cleared to land runway 32.
Springbrook ground, Air China 3545 ready to taxi. Air China 3545 taxi to runway 05. Springbrook clearance. Good morning. All Nippon 4813 ready for pushback at Bravo 10.
Springbrook Tower, China Southern 4223, ready for takeoff runway 05.